Hello guys, let's assume you want to replace any word inside a batch of files like this bag.cat. I want to replace the word cat with any word like dog. So and its subfolders also cat, catty2, and also these files. So what we can do is just to use this script. Enter the word you want to replace, like cat. I want to replace it with dog. Enter the file addresses. Replace, copy. This will replace all the file inside this folder and it is subfolders. It means this folders also. Okay, we entered. Like you see, all of them has been changed. Catty, catty2, it changed. That's it. Have a good day.